What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all had an awesome week. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, sorry, natural gas. But let me show you the clip from a live session that I've just held 2 hours ago, and then a clip from a last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. A condition here on NEMIX. Now on NEMIX, as you can see, we got an entry condition. Now we have a valid bullish engulfing pattern, and looking at that, I'm expecting a price to head higher from here. Let's say you enter the close, and in here the ATR is 3.9 and 1 ATR 39 is something like this. So on nat gas, you guys are the first to look at this market, and as I'll be uploading video right after this live session, so expect the price to push up to 2.333, from where we can see a next move. If you want to manage this trade, you can manage it till this recent highs by keeping your stop loss below the EMAs. And what I'll be looking at, either a pullback followed by bearish engulfer for my sell trade, or once the price push down, hit 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, and then I'm going to go long till here. Exit, look for my sell trades if we have a condition. If no condition, if the price break and close above this high, means we are now heading towards the next level. All I'm looking at some sort of good pullback to 50 EMA. This could be 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. And what I'll be looking at, either a pullback followed by bearish engulfer for my sell trade, or once the price push down, hit 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, and then I'm going to go long till here. Exit, look for my sell trades if we have a condition. If no condition, if the price break and close above this high, means we are now heading towards the next level, which nice one. So as mentioned in my live session, with my members only live session, as you guys were the first to look at this entry, but this was an entry that was also mentioned in my yesterday's YouTube video, as you have just seen the clip that we were looking at the condition. But of course, if you're in my live session, in that case I will be informing you guys with a valid entry pattern, which we have that. Now if you're interested to join live session, we look at the market analysis every Monday or Tuesday live, and here are the plans. Standard plus plan is the plan you need to do if you want to do a live session every week, and premium plan is something, it's a one time with a course, and with that you get standard and standard plus plan free, and that is a lifetime plan as well. And you do have an option to join that in from this website, as if you want to pay in dollars. So what to expect from it? Now at this point, since we are here on a NEMIX, I'm looking at the zone above, which is 2.406, that goes to 2.522, an area from where we can expect another pullback and a good push down. Remember, we can see a possible big push down from this area. So I've just marked my rejection zone, which is right here, as you can see the number in blue. All I'm expecting a continuation towards the upside. Now I've already mentioned that if you want to manage this trade, you can manage this trade. If you have taken this trade, then manage it till this rejection box. That was clearly mentioned in my last video as well. So right here, once the price hit this zone, if rejected with a bearish engulfer or with the 382 candle, which is a pin bar kind of candle, if you want to watch the video how to identify these candlestick patterns, I've already made a video. Feel free to check that out in my playlist so that you know what the valid 382 and a pin bar candles are. So once we have these candlestick pattern here, I'm going to go short till 50 EMA, and from 50 EMA I want to see another bullish engulfing condition. If the price, let's say, made a high, leave with a wick and a condition to take my sell trades. So the other condition now I'll be looking at for my entry conditions. So now here on Capital.com, the price just hit a level of rejection box. Now it is something I call a 382 candle. Now if we have a condition here, I'm still going to take my trade. Doesn't matter if it's not happened on NEMIX. NEMIX, the futures platform, that is why it might be a bit slower. Now here, if with the Fibonacci retracement right here, if this candle turns to be a 382 candle, as you know what the 382 candle is, in that case we'll have an aggressive double top pattern. Remember, that will be an aggressive double top pattern, and keep my stop loss above this box and take profit. I can go 1-to-1 initially, and then we can go and manage it till 1.4-to-1 reward to risk ratio. That's what I'll be looking at. But if you're someone who want to wait for the good condition and less aggressive entry, if this candle turns to be a green candle, then we have a next bearish engulfing candle. In that case, that will be a strong signal. In that case, we are going to go short. And we also are getting a divergence in the RSI. Looking at that, that might be a good signal for the price to give us some sort of good and big pullback. Now this doesn't mean the price is reversed from here, means we're going to get a possible good pullback. It can be till this anchor level before we see another bounce. In the long term, we are still bullish, but in the short term, like I mentioned, I'm still going to take my sell trades within this area. We already had one buy trade in an uptrend. Now we're looking at the sell trade. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades here on Wanda. It is a rejection box. 2.339 goes to 2.441. Once the price hit this rejection box, forms a bearish engulfer. Exactly the same. I'm going to go short till here. With a bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long till here. Once we are broken above these highs, only then I'm going to start to look for my bullish trade on all three platforms. This high must be broken for the continuation towards the upside. For now, expect a pullback before the price will head higher with conditions. Next up, we have gold. Gold is now about to in a process of retracement. If you have a 50% retracement, I will set my buy limit order. 1 to 2 ATR will be my initial targets, and in the long run, I will be looking at this 1.618 retracement, but I will exit after hitting 1 2 ATR, or if I want to manage it, it is an area till I want to manage it. Not selling as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA. If you are not an aggressive trader, wait for the price to form a big and deep pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern. If we have that, we are good to go long, or the retest of this level that was already mentioned in my weekend video. Once we have a retest of this level followed by bullish engulfer or double bottom, in that case I'm going to go long. So only buying trade, but with these conditions only. Next up, we have silver. Silver is also in the process of a pullback, so we can also use a Fibonacci retracement right here. 50% can be a buy limit order, and then price will likely to head higher. If you have a pullback entry bullish followed by bullish engulfer, after a couple of candles pullback followed by bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long till when? Till the price hit my next level of major resistance, which is 31.27 goes to 32.01, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trades only with conditions like double top or bearish engulfing pattern. Finally, we have crude oil. For crude oil, it is must that price break and close above this box. Once we have a close of a solid candle, close is important. In that case, price will likely to head higher to this level above, which is our trend continuation zone. 72.24 goes to 73.35, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade with bearish engulfers or double top entry pattern. So keep an eye. These are the conditions now I'll be looking at for the possible sell trade from this area. Once we are broken above, I'll start to look for the pullback entry bullish, and gonna sell here if we have a condition to sell here. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.